Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So we'll see today's messages because today is a very lovely day. I don't know when this reading is gonna be posted, on my channel, but today is my favorite Hanumanji's birthday. And we'll see if there are any messages that he wants to send you. I don't know when you will guys see this video because I have already, my team have already uploaded some videos that I did before, but it's an energy. So if the energy is connecting with you at this moment of time, just try to connect with Hanumanji's energy and think of a situation, anything that you need his guidance. So we'll take 5 cards, we'll clarify, and we'll take other but show me the messages, Hanumanji. We have 1 card. This is 6 of Cups. At this moment it could be possible that you guys are thinking about past, or you are thinking about something, something nostalgic. You are thinking of your childhood, you are thinking of your pet, if you had a pet, or if you used to play. I think you are somebody who really likes to play with dogs, or animals. Like, I can see animal spirit is protecting you. Even Hanumanji is, monkeys are more treated as a reincarnation of Hanumanji. But I need messages, Hanumanji, for my viewers. We have so many cards, so we'll take. Okay, bottom of deck we have Magician and Empress. Ooh, and 10 of Wheels. I can see you guys moving. Okay, first let's start with this Ace of Swords with 6 of Wands, with 2 of Wands. Okay, 7 of Wands with the Hermit, and with 9 of Wands. So let me just settle the cards in, and then we will see what is coming for you. Okay, so I was planning of taking 5 cards, but Hanumanji is Hanumanji, and he has given me almost 3, 6, 7 cards, with bottom of deck is speaking for itself. Let's start the video. So 6 of Cups and 9 of Wands and 7 of Wands energy is basically telling me that you guys are very innocent soul, like Hanumanji, like kid from inside. You really like to play with animals, or animal spirits really protect you. With 9 of Wands, I can see you in some sort of protection that you have created for your own self, and that protection is basically because we have 9 twice. That protection is actually healing your sacral chakra, healing your throat chakra, healing your third eye. I can see that, and that thing is gonna give you, again we have Empress, but in here if you'll see, Empress has a womb with a world inside, or here you'll see there is a globe. So you are somebody who is working on something. That could be possible that you guys are planning to move abroad, and with, as I said in the starting of the video, 10 of Wands. So 10 of Wands basically movement. And here this is a bison or bull. So it could be possible somebody Taurus would be helping you, or that. But there will be 2 options. You have to choose one option, the one option that is really right for you, that will automatically come to you. Like, I think Hanumanji is providing you the guidance, providing you something, some sort of a clarity that you actually need at this time. Let's see with 6 of Cups, because I really want, I don't want any wrong messages that I'm not able to decode it when Hanumanji is giving, sending it. But if you are watching this video till now, Jai Shri Ram, comment in the comment box, and we'll say one time Jai Shri Ram, because if I'm having Hanumanji's guidance, it is very important that I have Ramji with me. For Six of Cup, we have Knight of Cup, that is confident, passionate, adventurous. And I said, like a kid energy. Kids are very confident. Kids are very passionate about, life. That, oh my God, why this, why that. They'll start playing anywhere, with any animal. They don't care about whether it's ant or dog or cat. If they like it, they like it. Adventurous kids, So I can see you are coming into your kids, kids sort of an energy, like careless, like, okay, done, that sort of. Nine of Wands. What is the message, Hanumanji, for Nine of Wands? Message for Nine of Wands, we have it. This is Four of Air. Again, careless energy, meditation, recarbonation, contemplation. Again, being with you, the protection. If you'll see here, I was just talking about with Nine of Wands here, protection. That girl is standing behind the fences. Here, if you'll see, the boy is sleeping with Four Swords boundary. So any boundary that you guys have created, maybe people are questioning that, but that boundary is giving you actually the peace that you want. Like careless energy. Seven of Wands. And fire energy is very, very strong here, and we are almost in Aries season. So Seven of Wands. We have Nine of Earth. Content, luxury, independence. And if you will see, this girl is actually doing yoga. And yoga actually makes you feel very content, very flexible, it's like your body feels flexible. So body has independence, that level of. For Hermit, I'll take this card, and this is Four of Water, distraction, self-absorption, and discontainment. If you are far from your home, or if you are feeling any situation that is not making you feel motivated, Hanumanji is saying that the motivation comes from you first. Like, I'm getting a feeling, or even this, if you know Jamwant Ji motivated Hanumanji to take a leap and fly over the sea. But it is very, very important also when Jamwant Ji said certain things about their magic powers, Hanumanji has to start believing himself. Like, nobody can motivate you if you don't want to. Like, that sort of a message I'm getting. And that's the only thing, even Jamwant Ji try to remember Hanumanji magical, skills when they were standing on a cusp of the ocean. Like, after that, you couldn't see the land, anything. That's the sort of a, see, the same thing I'm saying. You can't see the land. But I'm getting a feeling the land will come near to you. We have Two of Wands and Empress. Again, globe, world, creation, abundance, action. Here again, car. Yeah, I can see you moving. You will have some sort of two options, and you have to take an action to choose one. Whatever you will be choosing, it will create something new for you. It will bring the abundance that you deserve. We have Ace of Swords with Five of Airs, mistake, melodrama, and resentment. Nothing will happen like that, because you will get that clarity from within. And once you have that clarity, nobody will be able to do that melodrama like ha ha he. We have Six of Wands and Three of Fire. That is Three of Wands. Goals, expansion, vision. And you are getting victorious. Like, victorious is the word. Bottom of deck, we have King of Air. Knowledge, objective, respected. You will be respected, you will be knowledgeable, you will be very, very objective in your life. And I can see a person coming, because I think, okay, now I got the message. Here we have Magician, right? So I think that message is for you, and I think I'll take Magician, and this is for Magician. And let me take my lip balms here. And I need one card, Hanumanji. This will be the last card from this deck, shuffle wise, for the Empress. We have Knight of Air, intellect, determined, motivated. Wow. Very, very nice. Very, very nice energy, guys. Let's say it one more time. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Bol Bajrang Bali ki Jai. Let me have this here. And I think I really need a big L size table. Like, guys, if you really like my reading, please donate money. I need to have a bigger table. But I think I'll keep this here, and we'll take cards from here, more like a guidance what is coming. And six of, I'll not take like this, I'll take one by one, because Hanumanji is very, very happy with 6 of cups and Knight of Fire. I want the message, Hanumanji, and the message is this is innovation. You will need to come up with new strategy to keep your plans in motion. Old ways are outdated. Invent, create, and test ideas. Again, confident, passionate, adventurous. If you are confident about your work, if you are passionate about your work, if you want to take risk with your work, then only you will have the ability to innovate something. Otherwise, if you are very risk averse, you cannot innovate anything, because innovation takes time, innovation takes effort, innovation takes a lot of believe in yourself. Wow, Hanumanji, what okay, 9 of Wands and 4 of Air. The message is this is perspective. If you change the way you look at the things, you could see everything in a brand new light that will help you to get where you want to go. Again, go within. Then you'll know what is the place that you need to go. That is my printer printing. 7 of Wands with 9 of Earth. This is the card. Shedding. You are starting to outgrow your work situation. You need to set higher goals and standard. You work very well in healing and medicine. Again, yoga with 7 of Wands. And if you see this lady, she is having a tea. So it's like basically you have to heal your own body, and then all the healing starts from within. The Hermit with 4 of Waters, because I'm getting a message, if you will be always demotivated, how you will take care of yourself. The Hermit, 4 of Water, this is the card. You are cashing in all the good work you have done. Raises, bonuses, and prosperity are coming in. Keep going and keep growing. Very, very nice. For 2 of Wands, to Empress, this is the card. Expression. You need work that lets you express your creative self. You do well at writing, vlogging, or career in communication and creation, abundance, action. And here, if you see, she is painting. She has pen, she has car. So something with that. For Ace of Swords and 5 of Air, the message is this: outsiding forces, unknown figures are driving the situation, and you may not be able to control the outcome. This cycle will shift soon and you'll be okay. There is, yes, so whatever situations that you got into, there is, you just all need clarity to drive your way, like nothing else. With 6 of Wands, of 3 of Fire, the card is brilliance. Very, very, can you see? You discover your own geniusness by breaking away from the grid. To follow your own inspiration, your ideas bring recognition. Yep. Because we have Magician here, can I say anything else? Hanumanji is talking The Magician with King of Air. This is the card. Wealth. You are working towards real wealth and prosperity in your life. Keep investing in yourself and look into future career planning. Very nice energy. And we have Empress. This is the last card that I will take, Hanumanji. This is like make or break. So guide my viewers, guide me with your blessings, and we'll see what is the card. This is Empress, Knight of Air, and the card is wish come true. Your wish has been granted, but it may come in the way you, it may not come in the way you expect. No worries, it is just what you need. Reflection, and we have manifestation. You have the power to manifest what you want by writing your intentions down, by taking inspired actions to happen. Very, very interesting. We'll take from here 3 cards. Any guidance, anything, what else is involved? What is this wish come true in the way that I or my viewers are not thinking? So the first card is this. This is High Honor, and we have Magician, King of Air, Wealth, wish come true. So you guys are actually, again, knowledgeable, objective, respected, intellectual, determined, motivated. Like, can I say anything? The reading started with confident, passionate, and adventurous. This is the card number 2, Child, again with 6 of Cups, Child. Like you are becoming very carefree. This is the last card, and we'll end the reading. And Bol Bajrang Bali ki Jai, Jai Jai Shri Ram. And this is the card. This is the Despair and Sudden Wealth. We have wealth twice. Whatever your problems is gonna be completed. Again, dog energy is very, very important. This is sudden wealth. Expect to have changes. Changes will be very, very quick. You will be coming in with your community. The problem that you are into, despair, hermit, that all that energy that is coming to an end, and there will be a long journey. So be prepared for it. Yeah. Like, this is your reading, and I just started, sneezing. So I don't know what happened, but make sure to like this reading. Make sure to claim Bajrang Bali's blessings. I don't know when you'll see the video. Whenever you'll see the video, let me know in the comment section by typing Jai Shri Ram, Bol Bajrang Bali ki Jai. And आप सबको हनुमान जी के जन्म उत्सव की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. आई डोंट नो ये वीडियो कब जाएगा, बट आपको ये वीडियो कभी भी मिल रहा हो, इसका मतलब ये है कि हनुमान जी आपसे बात करना चाहते थे, उन्होंने आपसे बात कर ली है. और ये मैसेज अगर आपको मिल गया है तो ब्लेसिंग्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगी, बिकॉज मेरे में इतनी ताकत नहीं है कि आई कैन डू एनीथिंग विदाउट हिज परमिशन. सो दैट इज ऑल इट. And I really felt very, very good speaking in Hindi, because that's my mother language, and I always enjoy and feel very homely when I speak my mother language. But thank you so much. Namaskar.